and welcome back. Oops, you just fell. Let me try and get you back up on the corners here. Kind of sitting weird. But anyway, I thought I would share with you another grocery haul. I did just get back from the grocery store. I went to 3 different stores. I went to Dollar Tree, which is just across the street from my grocery store. I went to Family Dollar, which is right in the same shopping plaza right next door to my grocery store, and I also went to my grocery store. I spent a total of $58.90. However, $9.49 of that was for some socks that I got for Steve. And then, so that total on the food was $49.41, which gave me 49 cents left over for my grocery budget, which I have set at $50. And we did take out an additional $10 to accommodate for the socks because, like I said, they were $9.49 with tax. So, that being said, I think the last grocery video I did, I said I allowed myself $30. Well, I've had to bump that up, so I currently allow myself $50 for my groceries for the week, feeding 2 people. Yeah, and a lot of this is quick fix stuff, preferably. And one other thing I want to say is I have 3 bags, 1 for each store. Well, 1 for the dollar stores and then 2 for the grocery stores. My philosophy is if it fits, I get. So obviously I will get if it doesn't fit into my bags, but my goal is to fit everything into my bags. I have this big orange bag and then I have several smaller canvas bags that I take with me. So we will start with the Dollar Tree. At the Dollar Tree, I picked up 2 of these Idahoan buttery homestyle potatoes, and I picked up 2 of these Penrose hot sausages. These are for hubby. He likes these. He likes the orange ones, not the yellow ones. So that's what I got at the Dollar Tree. Total spent at the Dollar Tree for me was $5.34. That's with the purchase and the tax. So over at Family Dollar, never tried this before, but this is actually cheaper than the Dollar Tree, which they don't have the angel hair, and it's most definitely cheaper than my local grocery store by 23 cents plus 10%. So so $1.23 plus 10% would be $1.36, I believe, plus tax. I noticed that Family Dollar has angel hair pasta, and it does look fairly thin. It's not the thin, it's the angel hair. This is $1 for 16 ounces. So hopefully it's good, just like the Best Choice that I normally get, and we don't notice the difference because I'd hate to throw it away. I did purchase, not knowing, spaghetti from Family Dollar one time, not Family Dollar, Dollar Tree one time, just their thin pasta. That pasta's not thin, that is big chunky stuff once you get it cooked up. We ended up throwing it away because we did not like it. So total that I spent at the Family Dollar, oh, I forgot to show you the socks. And then I got Steve this bundle of socks. I was actually going for 10 pairs, but this actually has 12 pairs. This is a different one that I looked at on their app. This was 12 pairs for the same price that I was going to pick 10 pair. So hopefully he likes these socks. All of his are wore out in the heel. He always wears them out right here. The rest of the socks fine, but right here it gets really wore out. So these 2 items at my Family Dollar with sales tax was $10.57. And like I said, we did a little bit extra for buying the socks. Took that out of a different part of the budget. So there's the one sack, the Dollar Tree sack. Now at my local grocery store, I spent a total of $42.99, and we'll start with this canvas bag here. I got a package of the Mission burrito-sized tortillas. It's an 8 count. I've not tried these particular ones, but I do like the Mission tortillas. Really good tortillas. I'm going to make a new recipe with these. I have some other ingredients in here that I'm going to be using, which is this roast beef right here. This is Orlando Lakes. This is a 10-ounce package. And then I got, don't fall over. some Swiss cheese. This is the Dutch Farm brands. I've not seen the actual sliced Swiss before, but I'm glad that they had the Swiss because we really like the Dutch Farms. I didn't really want to get the Kraft was all out, which it was on sale, and the only other brand I had was like the Sargento or something like that, and it was quite a bit more expensive. So the roast beef, the Swiss cheese, and I got this little 8-ounce container of Daisy sour cream. There we go. 8-ounce container of Daisy sour cream, plus the ingredients that I already have on hand. We're going to be trying some French dip wraps. Now I will put the link to that recipe down in the description box below for you guys, so you can check that out if you'd like. Hope that stuff don't fall off the chair. Next thing I got is some white sandwich bread. I will be getting some yeast the end of this week to make some bread. I had a terrible experience making bread. The yeast I currently have is obviously old and needs to be replaced because I literally had a hockey puck. It did not rise at all. It was very hard to punch, very solid. But I got this sandwich loaf of bread. We will be having egg sandwiches for one of our meals this week. I did buy a dozen large eggs. Be very careful with those. Stick that up there. Plus peanut butter sandwiches if I decide to have those. I also got a bag of frozen corn. This is a 32-ounce bag. We are going to be having, with the potatoes and this, I do still have some chicken patties left from another grocery trip that I made. We're going to have some KFC chicken bowls. I will make up the homemade gravy to go with that. This is a stock up item. I had a little bit extra to spend, so I went ahead and stocked up on some frozen or sliced peaches. These are actually on sale. This is 16 ounces. I love peaches. Hopefully these are ripe when they were frozen. This is a request from Steve. He was wanting some lemon juice. So instead of getting actual lemons, I got the real lemon juice. He was also wanting some of this Bragg's liquid amino. Never had this before. Actually, it's apple cider vinegar. But he asked specifically for this. Thankfully, this was also on sale. So got that for him to try. I did get another box of this Frulani Texas Toast. Note, this is the 16 count size. We will be having garlic toast with our spaghetti, and we just opted to go with butter and Parmesan and garlic salt on our spaghetti. And then also with the other package of these, because there's 2 packages of 8 in here, we will be having the French bread pizza, or garlic bread pizza. And last but not least, I got a gallon of milk. So Steve also requested the milk. And we also have a little bit of cereal left, I think. So anyway, that is my grocery haul for tonight. Like I said, I will put any recipes that you don't already know that's not, normal down in the description box below for you guys. And I also will put down what we plan on eating for this week out of what I bought. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.